morning, student. Welcome to my online class. So student, as you know, in this pandemic situation, we are not available in your class. So this online class can help you. So all the students are requested to kindly watch the video and try to note down some important points which I will discuss today. So this is your first chapter, India, size and location. So in this chapter, we will learn about the India and its size and location. So before knowing the size and location, we should look out the historical background of our India. We know our India has been variously named, like India, Hindustan, Bharat, Aryavarta. And the word India means the land of Indoi. Basically, this India derived from the Greek literature, the Greek word Indoi. Indoi means the land near Indus Valley. So we know the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus civilization is the ancient civilization in our India. Although nowadays it is not part of our India, now in Pakistan. But before separation of our country, it was in our India. But after that, when Pakistan separated from India, then this Indus civilization undergo to the Pakistan. According to the another legend, Bharat was the son of Dasant, in fact, after whom the land became to be known as Bharat. So the Dasant son Bharat, we know, and the name of Bharat, the land came to be known as Bharat. Our India occupies 7th position in the world on the basis of its geographical area or unit, and the second position on the basis of its population distribution, means the number of population, after China. This is only country of the world whose name had been used before the name of an ocean. So this is only country of the world whose name had been used before the name of an ocean. So there are no any country in the world whose name had been used before the name of an ocean. Isn't it? Have any country name? No. So this is the only country. India location. So now I have entered this chapter, India location. So before knowing about the location, we should have a knowledge of latitude and longitude on the globe. So what is latitude and what is the longitude? Concept of latitude and longitude. So this is a globe, you can see here, and in this globe you can see some vertical line and horizontal line. Now, this vertical line are longitudinal line and this horizontal line are latitudinal line. So these are the latitude and longitude. Fine. What is latitude? So in this globe, What is latitude? I have already told you the horizontal lines are latitudinal line. But what is latitude? So in this globe, you can see this is our earth axis, and this is the center of the earth, and this is the equator. Clear? Now the latitude, you know, this equator is an imaginary line which divide the globe into two halves. The upper part is called north, means northern hemisphere, and the lower part is called southern hemisphere. Clear? So any point, it may be in the northern side, it may be in the southern side. Suppose here is point, or here is point. The angular distance of any point in the northern side or southern side is the latitude. So this line make, suppose, 60-degree angle. So this point is called, it is a 60-degree latitude, not a latitudinal line, it's a latitude. So there are difference between latitude and latitudinal line. So latitude and latitudinal line or line of latitude are different. This point is the exact latitude of that place. But when a line join the same latitudinal places, suppose here is 60-degree, here is 60-degree. So when this line join the all 60-degree latitudinal places, so this line is called the 60-degree north latitude line. Clear? Now it may be in this side, it may be in southern side. If southern side I get any point, so this angle, if it is 70-degree, so it will be 70-degree. If here it will be 70-degree, then the line will be 70-degree latitudinal line. Clear? So this is a latitude. So the definition, the angular distance of a place north or south of the earth's equator. Clear? This is a definition of latitude. And what is the line of latitude? The lines of latitude, an imaginary line which join all places having the same angular distance. Same angular distance. Suppose here is angular distance 70, here is 70, here is 70, here is 70. Then this line is 70-degree line of latitude. North, because I have already told you 0-degree equator, and this side is north, this side is south. Clear? The longitude of a place is its angular distance measured in degrees east or west from the prime meridian. Son, this is a prime meridian, you know. When we say that the longitude of Allahabad is 82° 30' east, this means that Allahabad is located in the east of the prime meridian and makes an angle of 82° with the axis of the earth with reference to the prime meridian. So suppose we know the standard meridian which is passing through Allahabad, 82 degree 30 minute. It means 82 degree 30 minute east means the Allahabad situated in the eastern side of prime meridian. Suppose is the prime meridian 0 degree and is eastern side situated, and this is earth axis, and it make a angle this is 82 degree 30 minute, and this point is 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, and when an imaginary line join the same longitudinal place in a line, this is called longitudinal line. So the line of longitude are the imaginary line which join all places having the same angular distance. So this is the angular distance 82 degree 30 minute here, and this line join all 82 degree 30 minute longitudinal places. Clear? Network of parallels and meridian on the globe. So in this globe there are a network of parallel and meridian. So now meridian, this is prime meridian, and according to this prime meridian there are 180 meridian in western side and 180 meridian in eastern side. So from here 180 degree up to western and 180 degree up to eastern longitude. Clear? So total 361 along with prime meridian. Now parallel, this is equator 0 degree, we know. So parallel to this equator there are so many parallel line up to 90, because 90 we know north pole is 90 degree, south pole is 90 degree, but it is not 90 degree north, it is 90 degree south. There are up to 90 degree, here is up to 90 degree. So total 180 plus 1 equator, total 181 parallels. So total 181 parallels and 361 meridian. The Indian mainland situated between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north and 67 degree 8 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. So the exact location of India in the globe, suppose this is 0 degree we know. Now latitudinal, this is 0 degree equator 0 degree, and 8 degree and it is 37 degree. So 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute, and here 67 degree to 97 degree, So this area is the exact location of India in the globe. Because our India is situated in the eastern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. So this is meridian. So this side is eastern and this is equator and this side is northern. Clear? So here so this is latitude and this is longitude. It is latitude is a longitude 8 degree 4 minute and this is 37 degree 6 minute north and this longitude 67 degree 8 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. IST and Tropic of Cancer. 82 degree 30 minute east longitude passes almost through the middle of the country. It passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad. It is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, which is taken as IST. So this standard time we know has been taken for our country time confusion. Why? Because we know in our country the westernmost part Gujarat and easternmost part Arunachal Pradesh. Gujarat situated 67 degree east longitude, Arunachal Pradesh situated 97 degree. So there is 30 degree longitudinal difference which denote 2 hours lag of time. In Arunachal Pradesh, the sun rises early compared to the state of Gujarat. That is why we take standard time from the standard meridian to confusion the time. And we all over the world follow the same time, which is the time of this zone. And the watches show the same time in both the states also. This state and this state. Watches show the same time, but duration is different. Here sunrise is 5 o'clock, then here will be 7 o'clock. Clear? It is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Why? So the prime meridian this is a GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. It is considered a 0 degree longitude. This prime meridian passes through the observatory near the Greenwich in London. So it's a royal observatory at Greenwich, and this meridian is also called the Greenwich meridian. So to know the time, we should define on GMT. So now we have written our Indian time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Why? Because GMT is here 0 degree. This side is west, this side is east. So when the zone situated east of the GMT, so where the time will be ahead, and west means the time will be decrease. So now our India situated, so our India standard time is 82 degree 30 minutes east, and here is GMT 0 degree. So the time difference 82 degree 30 minute minus 0 degree. So 82 degree 30 minute equal to 82 into 4. 82 into 4 equal to 328, and 30 minutes also here. So 1 degree means 4 minutes, and half degree means 30 minutes means half degree means 2 minutes. So 328 plus 2 equal to 330 minutes divided by 60. 5 hours 30 minutes. Clear? So in this way we can say our Indian time is ahead of 5 hours 30 minutes from the GMT. The length of Indian mainland from north to south is 3,214 km, and east west is 2,933 km. So the length from south to north 3,214 km, and east to west 2,933 km. Okay. The southmost part is called Kanyakumari, and the northmost part is called Indra-Kol. Indra-Kol. Westmost part is called Gaurmatta, and the eastmost part is called Kibuthu. Kibuthu. India command total geographical area 32,87,263 square kilometer, and which is about 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. The length of total coastal line including Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometers. And India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in east, and in west Arabian Sea, and in south Indian Ocean. So three sides surrounded by water. So that is called, it's a peninsula.